Pull my heart out of my chest, train my mind so I forget. Sink your teeth into my bones, dig me out, then fill the hole. Tear me apart and watch it burn. Tear me apart and watch it burn. All that's left is a window to my soul. Come and get it. Mouth to mouth, I breathe you in. Swallow down your jagged sin. Let it drown inside my veins. The sweetest poison I could take. You make it an art, the way that you scar with every word. But before we reach the end, strip me down again. Come and get it one more time. If you wanna lose your mind, come and get it one more time. If you wanna lose your mind, come and get it.
Yo, G, what up? Who's this pretty blonde chick taking bong rips? Park Ave, catching a cab the next morning. We party hard last night, I'm fucking exhausted. Headed back to my hood, I'm feeling nauseous. She said someone broke her heart, and now she's cautious. She thinks the fact that I'm a broke rapper is awesome. Tennis lessons, I wonder what those Lacoste did. So shout out to all the Rachels and Lawrence, mine players in the wintertime. 3 courses for dinner time, VIP, Patron and lime, smoking weed while we drinking wine. Me packing district, there was a line. Oh, we must have skipped it, or she must have sniffed it. Living recklessly, she said to me. She said to me,
You won't need a real job because I would love to pay for you.
pay for me, yeah.
Be a good man to me.
I could do that, yeah, I could do that.
I would love to pay
racks on my bitch, she's benevolent. 5 racks on my outfit, man, that's an estimate. Young and we decadent, she don't give a fuck, so I'm spinning it. See her pop's a politician, he was busy trying to balance out the deficit, while me and her were in his Mercedes, all affectionate. Shit, I'm just young and living life, man. Bad decisions, I ain't worried about the right plan. Every night I'm pulling Trojans out the nightstand, cause every night I'm pulling bitches from a mic stand. My rich girl takes care of me, homie, I ain't tripping off when other people stare at me. Cause ordinarily she purchases it all voluntarily. I'm skipping tax brackets if she marries me, yeah. And then she guaranteed.
From uptown, the hood is run down, but I think you're dope, I'm just trying to keep it real. Well, she ended up paying for the meal. Shorty, that is worth the bill, well, maybe we could be friends. I'm down to be the guy you text when you need some drunk sex on the weekends. Smoke this high grade, kill your migraine. It's Monday morning, but we treat it like a Friday. Nobody can blame you if you're born broke, but if you die broke, then that's your fault. So now we smoke joints in the club, drink champagne and we talk about love. Getting some money now, but she told me if I wasn't, she'd hold it down. Rolls Royce when we roll around, she talking about